Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Just Reacted, man, and we coming back with some 85 South Show, man. Y'all really loved the 85 South Show I reacted to last time. I think it got like 1,000 views. That shit went crazy, right? So now we got the part 2 of me reacting to the 85 South Show funny moments, man. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. Y'all see DC funny ass. He probably finna say some funny shit. Let's check it out, though, man.
I want to take a picture with you.
Well, shit, let me go ahead and get one in since you're right here, boy.
Go over there and see your son. He a newborn baby. Head loose in a bit.
Hold your head still, boy. You got DC Young Fly right here. Hold your head up.
These niggas stupid, man.
Keep your head still, boy. Take the picture. Take the picture. Put the flash on. Put the flash on so you can see it.
They be trying to use their babies.
Niggas always say some weird shit before they try to take a picture. Hey, excuse me, dog. Ain't no picture taking ass nigga, bro. Man, if I go get one with you.
He be like, you know what? Normally I don't do this, you feel me? Cause you know I'm a real nigga just like you. You got out the mud, I got out the mud. You bought your mama out, I'm trying to do that, you feel me?
This funny shit.
I'm like, no,
Straight.
But anyway, come on, big dog, let's take a picture, big dog.
Hold up, bro.
That's it.
No, let's take a picture, you know I'm fuck with you.
All right,
Come
bro.
on, hold on, let me call
Get
my
your
cousin.
arm. Yeah,
Let me call my cousin. Hey, cuz, get one with. I'm with that 40 nigga. Carlo Miller. Say a joke.
Let me go, big homie. Let me go. We good. We
I
gonna
wanna
get
take a
this.
picture, nigga. I'm finna call my cousin,
We gonna
nigga.
get this motherfucker.
Come on, let's do what? Hold up, that was ugly. Hold up.
Right.
I'm like, no, nigga, you
That's when
ugly.
they being respectful. Some niggas see us out, motherfuckers see. Hey, Chico! Big head ass nigga, Hey! Man, big as fuck, boy. I love you, nigga.
Hey, do not roast me. I'm gonna tell you right now, I take it out on whoever the fuck you with. Real talk, you got kids, your mama with you, listen, that bitch gon' get it.
I done seen them do it. He ain't
Real
lying.
talk, niggas came up to me was, why, roast your little ugly ass. And I was like, this your little boy? I was like, this little nigga is snagger-tooth in a motherfucker! Bite the apple, ugly ass nigga.
White people back there, they like this.
Yeah.
The old nigga is fascinated by this. This is fucking amazing.
And to the ladies that take pictures, stop saying this shit. Hold up, this is my good side. Like, look, if you only cute on one side of your body, man, you need to change some shit. All right?
You are ugly, man.
If you can't be cute halfway. Either you're cute or you're not. Hold up, this is my good side. I'm like, both sides should be your good side. No, fuck that.
Bitch be looking for the light.
Man,
Bitch,
this
what
shit
light?
funny
Bitch,
as
you are
hell.
ugly in the dark. You are ugly in the light.
A girl took a picture of me with the Snapchat filter on. Bitch had bunny ears and everything.
Like, you looking like a whole bitch.
And me looking like a whole bitch. But I believe that app will turn you into a bitch.
It will. It'll
Because
turn you into a whole nother
Because when I saw the picture, I was like, yes, bitch, is that me? Look at me. Oh my God, I'm cute as fuck.
pretty as hell.
Them filters be cheating, and I don't like them animal filters because they only got cute animals on there. You want to impress me, get a raccoon filter or some goddamn possums and some ugly animals and make that cute. What you say? Cast it.
She said, pass it. Oh,
Pass it,
I
you-
want to smoke.
Pass
Come
it.
get it.
Come
Come
on,
get
come
it.
on, come
Come
on,
get it.
nigga.
Oh, that
She
shit is passing that shit.
She said, move, nigga, move, excuse me.
I ain't
shit
smoked
lit.
all day.
Excuse me.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
You see, don't smoke with her because she walk like that auntie in the hood. Here I come.
Come on.
It's your birthday.
It's your birthday.
Huh? I don't give a fuck, girl. Fuck wrong with you? You ain't put in on this, man. What is wrong with you? Out the
Look at her.
blunt. Hit the blunt. Hit the
You got
blunt.
your shit braided
Hit it,
like
girl. Why I'm feeling kind.
like it's Christmas time.
Look, then she's smoking it like it hers. It's not hers. It's not hers. It's not.
Let me get the candy cane braids for these
Get my
niggas.
shit. Fuck wrong with you? Then she,
Oh, wait a minute.
ooh, look at her, built like a tight end.
What's up? I know that pussy good. Look at that stomach. You done already gave it away. Yeah, boy. Got them stretch marks on there.
Oh, shit.
Hey, look, y'all, this is what the blunt look like before you roll it.
That bitch built like a backwood. You don't get your stick. That bitch got veins up. Ah!
nigga some fool.
She's like, why y'all doing me like that?
We just playing. We love you.
Oh shit.
Boy, I tell you, she fucked him up.
Ooh, talk your talk, bitch.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Boy, you already know. She fucked him up when she went to West Hill to get them pants today. She was like, boy, let me get them
What's your name, sweetheart?
What's your name, baby?
Sean.
What's up, Sean?
Sean, where you from, Sean?
Got a charge in your purse.
You from here? You from
You
girl?
be stranded a
You
lot.
from here? That's what's up.
That nigga said it's Sean in your purse.
This one of them girls that'll spend the night over your house and won't bring no clothes. Be there all weekend.
Oh, we
Be walking around in a bra and a t-shirt. Where y'all going?
This shit funny as hell.
just stranded.
All right.
She just stranded. Look, she done fought it 3 times. Chico, her legs stink. Don't do that.
Yeah, it smell like the dashiki a little bit. Yeah, you been fucking with the nigga with the dashiki. That's the same smell.
He said the
You
nigga
gotta
with
call
the
her and get her
dashiki.
an embarrassing text.
Yeah,
Last
nah.
time you rode in my car, you had a roach.
There's a roach in your purse. It's a roach in your purse. It's a roach in your purse.
It's not a roach!
It's a roach in your purse. It's a roach in your purse. It's a roach in your purse. It's a roach
Go ahead back to
in
your
your
seat,
purse.
boo.
Man,
Thank you,
these
baby.
niggas
Love to you. Make some noise for her coming up in here.
Roaches in your car.
Hey, bro.
Roaches
Let me tell you
in your
something.
kitchen.
Do you know how much pressure that is when you have
She got a roach.
brought a roach over somebody's house?
She got a roach.
You gotta check your shit every time you leave. You like, man, I gotta make sure I do not embarrass myself. One more time.
You love your friend to death who got roaches, but soon as you step outside,
You go home, you stand outside, shaking the shit out your chain.
I got respect for roaches. My roaches don't come out until necessary. That's how I know if my roaches don't trust you, I ain't gonna trust you. They come out when it's a nigga that don't need to be there. They like,
That's
hey.
in learn. If my roaches don't trust you, I'ma shoot you.
Well, niggas just come across the clock. Nah, that ain't them right there.
Who ain't here grew up with roaches?
Me.
one
Come
person.
on, man. Be
Keep it 100,
Come on, man. Be
Yeah,
100,
nah.
man. Come
Only
on.
Let me know. Let me know if y'all
Nigga,
y'all
got
had roaches
Nigga,
in
you got
y'all
roaches,
shit. I ain't
nigga.
never had
spot
no damn
in
roaches.
Everybody's house. Everybody's house. I don't give a fuck. If you got any type of bug, any insect, you are part of the family.
Yep.
If you got ants at your house, you part of the family. If
Centipede.
you got centipedes at your house, you water bug.
Them the scariest bug. Them flying roaches, if you got this, you are a whole gangster, nigga.
Bro, my auntie had roaches so long, they left.
They do that.
They
do
just
that.
left. After a while, they were like, on to a 3-bedroom. We can't keep doing this same old shit.
I got a family now.
You get the fuck off.
Said
They
they
come
Ain't
back.
no young roach no more.
I'm telling you how they come, man. Crumbs. Crumbs. If you get up all the crumbs, you good. If you leave one little crumb, alright.
That ain't what my mama used to tell me. She used to tell me everything draw roaches. Pick them goddamn clothes up, you gonna draw roaches. So I'm like, what the fuck the roaches? Well, stop buying this cheap ass shit then if it draw roaches then, mama.
Hey, you ever been to somebody's house who got roaches? You know it, depending on where they live, it depends on how they act. Like kitchen roaches don't fuck with bathroom roaches.
Kitchen roaches are the
And look,
worst.
the people who had roaches, they know it ain't but like 2 or 3 roaches in the bathroom. It's a big one, a little one, and then it's like a medium-sized one.
I call them the lost roaches. Them the slow ones. They don't really know what's going on. They just they see you in the shower. They just go straight in the water. Yeah.
I'm gonna show that motherfucker really now, asshole.
He must not know what I'm finna do.
That man walked with the strong white man.
Leave these folks alone, man. He got a little small balls.
Hey, bro, why they keep coming over here fucking with you? You must know on the move.
They heard about him, but yeah, he ain't no real one. He ain't real.
Nah, he must have went off on the first dude, because they didn't, you know, anytime they send another white person to talk to you,
Hold on, let me go see what's going on with Deshaun.
Look, I'm need you to move.
Look, bro, you gonna have to go and get on up, man.
That nigga hella security.
Hey, that nigga was going into overtime. That's why he had to get up. Come on, bro. You just hit 40 hours. You got to go on clock out.
That nigga said the big nigga right there now.
OG been doing this shit for years. Tell him you got Under Armour. You ain't bullshit.
Big strong nigga. What's up with you, OG? How you feel? What's your name, big dog? Huh? Craig. Craig. He don't sound like he look. I'm like, what's your name? Craig. Craig, asshole. Say something else and I'll kick your ass.
He's sitting over there.
How long you been doing that?
And y'all heard this shit up. I got to ship and walk house after this.
How long you been doing security, Craig? Huh? Nigga, you heard me.
10 years. You know Craig a gangster. That nigga ain't got no mustache. Any nigga with no mustache will kill you. He only got the beard. That's a nigga that's gonna do you bad.
Motherfucker, my shit won't even throw up top. Fuck you, nigga. That nigga mustache be going in his nose. That shit itch, don't it? I know it.
Craig, that's the type of nigga be fucking your auntie. She just bring him to the holiday. I want y'all to meet Craig.
How you doing, little man?
That nigga be in there, you goddamn living room sitting like this, color. This your nephew you been talking about right here? This your nephew? What's up, nephew?
Boy, you looking good, boy. You play football, boy. You look like a good little middle linebacker right there, boy. I like you, boy.
I couldn't do this when I get old, but my
Shout out to all the fellas out here who football fans, bro. You ever be sitting around with your family and then like one of the ladies in your family bring a nigga to the house and he be like, I don't like football. Everybody in the family be like, this pussy ass nigga. She done brought this fuck nigga over here, bro. We ought to jump this whole ass nigga. Type of nigga don't like football, police ass nigga.
I fuck with football. That shit is aggressive, bro. And I ain't really got no favorite team. I just want to see me get hit and motherfuckers just talk shit. I don't like how them regular ass game niggas go to it down and we walk back to the goddamn end zone. No, talk some shit. Do a dance. Do something. Kick a nigga. Do something.
What'd you say? Noodle leg.
Who said that? Who said that? Boy, you got on a Kobe Bryant fro, ugly ass. What the fuck wrong with you? Baby fro having that. You about to get braids, ain't you? Nigga. What you say? You a barber? He like,
shit.
What's your name there, OG? JJ. No, it ain't.
Yeah, it is.
Them ain't permanents in your mouth. Them pull-outs. That nigga old hair with pull-outs. 42 with pull-outs. Bad teeth.
That nigga put a grill on the insurance. This is crazy.
I tell you one
Nigga
thing.
done glued some pull-outs in his mouth.
Nigga got that little webby fro. Girl, give me that. Girl, give me that. Girl, give me that pussy.
That motherfucker perfect too, OG.
That's the webby.
You gotta pat it the same way. These niggas in the real like, oh, fuck these niggas the other day.
Who the fuck was that? Hey man, with that pussy ass boy, Carlos.
That was one of them ghosts.
She was a skinny one. She was a skinny one. I know it. Them skinny ones be deep.
It's the big girl in the back. Look at that soft arm. You see how it's wiggling?
Yeah. She makes some good macaroni and cheese with that arm.
Y'all late. Y'all just coming.
Hey, all right, man. That was we already was 13 minutes in, man. This is the part 2, man, of us reacting to this shit. This shit is funny as hell, man. Make sure y'all do me a favor, drop a like, drop a sub, and if y'all want to see more 85 South Show to part 3, then let me know in the comment section, man. But that's it, and that's all, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, man.